Look, there's some tornadoes that hit Houston area as thunderstorms move through, and they updated the article. It looks like so it says tornadoes in Texas and Mississippi now kill 2 and injure 6. There's that number 26 again, and that even syncs up with the last breakdown I did with the Bryant Park fire connected with Kobe Bryant, right? Because remember, Kobe Bryant passed on January 26th, and that date anniversary is right around the corner, right? And what was his name? Greg Gumbel, the sports guy, sportscaster. He died of cancer, and cancer equals 26. Even even the snowboarder Sophie Hedegar died at age 26. All trending right there. She was 26. Okay. So that number 26 has been popping up a lot lately. And, I just caught some of that on the fly. So let me go back over to the updated article. So here it is. And now Mississippi's in the mix. I'm just going to grab Mississippi and toss it in the calculator and just see if anything connects along the way. Oh, it looks like I need to open a calculator up here. All right, so I'll share this tab and let me just put Mississippi in here and we'll just see if anything else connects. So there's Mississippi right there. Okay, so let's go back to what I originally put together here and we're going to play a news clip. I don't know why the news clip didn't play the two videos with the last video breakdown I did, the last decode with the Bryant Park fire. I don't know why the volume didn't cross over on those, but I'm gonna hit this news clip right here, and I don't know. We'll see what happens. So hopefully you can hear this right now, and if you can't hear it, my apologies. No idea why that would be the case, but we got another minute here, and then we're gonna get to some of these connections. All right. All right, so that's cool for now on that video. And again, I hope you saw that. So this is an Associated Press article, okay? And when I'm glancing at it as I put this together, I look up there and it says tornadoes hit Texas. Now I'm a 80s baby, born in 1981, and I remember I used to watch pro wrestling and I remember a wrestler called the Texas Tornado. And with all of these wild connections that I've been seeing lately with all of these characters and stories related to each other, I'm like, let me just look into that a little bit more, okay? And sure enough, this wrestler is named Kerry Von Erich, the Texas Tornado. Notice how he passed right 15 days after his birthday, by the way. But anyways, the Texas tornado, Carrie Von Erich. Now that connects to Lindsey Vonn, the skier who made the comeback after a bunch of injuries. And if you watch that breakdown, I showed you how that was connected to the Sophie Hediger passing at age 26, right? And you see those other connections there, King Von Miller. Check out that breakdown. I think it's in the Lindsey Vonn breakdown. I just did the video like a few days ago. But back to the Texas tornado, Carrie Von Erich, like Lindsey Vonn, right? Lindsey Vonn trending. The Texas tornado, Carrie Von Erich. You see how this is all set up with the language here, right? And you see trending, she finished 14th at one of the events recently, Lindsey Vonn. Okay, and why else is that amazing? And you see this comes back to the age 26 for Sophie Hediger, who just passed via avalanche, dies in an avalanche at age 26. And remember, they updated this article right here to Mississippi, and these tornadoes kill 2 and injure 6. And something else with that, real quick, Lindsey equals 101 right here, which is the 21st or the 26th prime number. Okay, and don't forget Bryant with the Kobe Bryant energy and the the fire at Bryant Park. You see Bryant 26 dead on the 26th, right? So I just wanted to like bring a lot of those stories together before I move forward. And isn't it interesting? Thunderstorms, several tornadoes hit Houston area as thunderstorms move through, and then Sophie Ann Hediger dies in an avalanche. And even Sophie's got the S like snow. Anyways, I just wanted to show you that. Now, here's another pic here uh, by Taylor Hudson, I guess, right there. But a pic of these tornadoes that hit the Houston area. Okay, now back to the Texas tornado. Carrie Von Erich, you see the nickname right there. The WWF announcers did call him Carrie Von Erich, but over time the name disappeared, and he was only referred to as the Texas tornado, right? So look at his birthday, like for real. You get a Texas tornado story trending, and it's connected with this former pro wrestler RIP. Look at his birthday is the 3rd day of the 2nd month, and the Texas Independence Day is the celebration of the adoption of the Texas Declaration of Independence on the 3rd month and the 2nd day. So you get the 3 and the 2 with the state of Texas here, and you get the 3 and the 2 with the Texas tornado as these Texas tornadoes connect via the trending news. And look at this. Even Houston equals 32. And this article based around the Houston area and tornadoes. And it's a 2-month, 3-day span from this article, Saturday, December 28th. From that day to the upcoming, you could say birthday for Texas there, March 2nd. Look at that. 2-month and 3-day span, and even Houston equals 32. Okay, and it all syncs up with this character, the Texas tornado, who I get like Ultimate Warrior vibes from that guy. And when I looked at his page, the Ultimate Warrior, was right there. See also Ultimate Warrior. He kind of looks like the Ultimate Warrior from back in the day, even though the Warrior had face paint. But back over here. Okay, so Houston equals 32, a 2-month, 3-day span from this story to the March 2nd anniversary, Texas Independence Day. And even look at this right here. So the Declaration of Independence, Texas Independence Day, the celebration of the adoption of the Texas Declaration of Independence. With this document signed by 59 delegates, settlers in Mexican Texas officially declared independence from Mexico and created the Republic of Texas. So you could say like a birthday, right? So look at that, 1836. And several tornadoes touched down in the Houston area Saturday, damaging homes. The 363rd day of the year, leaving 3 days. So you get that 3-6 energy right there. And even Texas tornado equals 48 in the reduction cipher. You see how it's broken down right there? Look at that. And ooh, look at how tornado equals 33. Right there on the fly, tornado 33. And on the day, leaving 3 days in the year. You see the 3-6 theme popping off. And even that 3rd month Declaration of Independence. Look, this stuff has been hitting a lot lately. There's been Michael Jordan energy. Again, just check the prior videos. And he sold his home, his mansion, for $5.9 million. And look at how 59 delegates right here. And that doesn't mean there's stories with Michael Jordan and Texas like that, but it just shows that all of this stuff is by the numbers and by the language and these patterns that repeat in history. And even Michael Jordan equals 59, and that mansion sold for 9.5. So you see those same numbers there. Bulls equals 66. And yesterday was LeBron James' birthday. LeBron and LeBron James equals 66. Lakers equals 66. Michael equals 33. His middle name, Jeffrey, equals 33. That's amazing. And with all of the the Kobe Bryant energy with the fire at Bryant Park in New York. Remember Kobe Bryant's got the 666 workout? Remember that? RIP to Kobe. Uh, but I think Kobe equals 33 as well, and he had 81 points in his 666th game. So you're getting a lot of that 3-6 energy. Look at that, Kobe 33, and even LeBron with that connection, LeBron 66 and 33. Even LeBron James, you get the 66 right there. Okay, so there's a lot of this energy lingering, like I said. All right. And does Texas have the 66? Let me see. And even Texas has that 66 and that 30. I think I might have just shown you that. But if not, let's go back over here. So you see, look at that. With all the 36s and the 3rd month, the Declaration of Independence from Mexico. Look at that right there. And that's amazing because look at Saturday, like Saturn, and the rings, like Satan, like Santa. You see that? And Santa wears the red suit. That's amazing with a lot of that energy, isn't it? So back over here, so these Texas tornadoes. Look at Texas tornado equals 48 in reduction here. And Saturday had a 48 and 84 date numerology. Check that right there. Okay, and this comes right from the article. The National Weather Service has confirmed at least 5 tornadoes in the Houston area near Katy Cypress, Splendora, Hillcrest, and Porter Heights. But that's the ABC 123 cipher right there, ordinal. The National Weather Service 280. Saturday equals 28, okay? And 280 is like 28. And wow, look at the article right there. Updated December 28. Look at that. All right. So I wanted to show you all of those connections with all of these stories that are trending and these characters involved with all of the stories. Let's play this again. I think this is a different clip. I'm not 100%. It might be the same clip. And again, I hope there's some volume. What? An elephant trunk? Hey, that's amazing because when you think of elephant, you think of Republican. And ooh, that's amazing because trunk rhymes with Trump. Holy crap, I just caught that. And you know, the elephant, the Republican logo. Holy crap. And T, tornado, Texas tornado, TT. You get the T with Trump. Damn, I wasn't even trying to say that guy's name. And you get the trunk shaped tornado. Twister T. I can't stand too much of that news, the NBC nightly news. Anyways, I just wanted to show some video clips there. But yeah, I mean, it's a different way to kind of do a breakdown. And right when I see a title, and let's go back over here. Right when I see the title, I just look at the main things that pop. I think there's even a music group called the Texas Tornadoes. So here's the wrestler right here, right? I don't Denton, Texas. I don't think they mentioned that, but he's born in Niagara Falls. Carrie Jean, is this him right here? Carrie Jean Atkinson. All right, interesting name. But let's look at that music group, the Texas Tornadoes. You see over here on the right, you see, look at how this connects. And then see more news over here on the right. Look at the group. It's a rock and country group. Let me just, they don't give us much information with that band. Let's pull up Mississippi since they have Mississippi now in the updated article right here. Let's just see if we can get some quick Mississippi connections. So let's look at the birthday for Mississippi. Mississippi birthday. Look at that. That wasn't long ago. December 10th. So we're still in the 12th month now. Okay. Capital Jackson. All right. I'm not seeing much on the fly with Mississippi, but did we put Mississippi in the calculator? We did, didn't we? Let's go back over here. So here's Mississippi right here. Mississippi's got the 157 and 77 like United States, but that's not really anything that matches with our breakdown. Let's scroll down the new article real quick, and I just want to see if anything else pops. Well, that 26 pops right there, doesn't it? So let's see what numbers I have saved, and let's just see if there's a 26 at the end here. Let's see. Let me scroll down to the end. Look, that's everything I entered right there. And I don't see a 26 there. What's the capital? Oh, the capital's Jackson. Let's put Jackson in the calculator real quick. No, I don't see any 26s with Jackson. There's Jackson, Mississippi's got that 77 even. Okay, cool. All right, so let's scroll down this article and to see if any other numbers stick with the 26 that pop as I go down. I'm not seeing anything else. Let's play this audio. They're giving us a lot of tragic stories lately. There's been a lot of deaths lately, tornadoes, storms. Look, these plane crashes. Here's another plane crash here. We've had a lot of those in Arizona where I'm at right now as well. So maybe what? It's a holiday. It's the holiday season and we just there's got to be these negative stories. It's all by patterns cuz I mentioned LeBron James's birthdays yesterday and his big connection with the number 6. And don't forget, didn't I mention Saturn? Um isn't Saturn the 6th planet from Earth? Saturn the 6th planet from Earth? Or from the sun, excuse me. I said Earth. Saturn the 6th planet, and this was Saturday. And remember Santa, Satan, 6, sun. Amazing. And think about the rings too. And LeBron put the number 6 on and then won a ring with the Miami Heat. Look, you get the 95 up here in the right corner. Remember Michael Jordan, Bulls equals 66, Michael equals 33. Okay, remember his mansion sold for 9.5 million and Michael Jordan even equals 59. So there's a lot of this like Satan energy going on right now. Right here, 9.5 million. And don't forget LeBron's birthday yesterday. And I'm not saying these characters are related to like this tornado like that. I'm just saying like the underlining connections with these patterns and the characters and these trending stories, right? Ooh, and you know what? And you see LeBron's birthday. You know what? And that's because of Capricorn, the zodiac, December 22 to January 19. Look at the logo. You get the horns right there. Damn. So you get kind of like a goat type figure. The goat. You see that right there? That's amazing. That's super amazing. And wow, that exposes like the Kobe Bryant, Michael Jordan, LeBron kind of GOAT talk energy right now as we're in Capricorn, the zodiac. Holy crap. Okay, so there's been a little bit of everything. I know I went a little bit off here, but I'm a real person. I don't follow a script. Ooh, and you get the Texas Longhorns, don't you? Texas Longhorns. Holy. Mm. And you know why that's amazing? Look how they're playing Arizona State in the Peach Bowl on New Year's. The Sun Devils. Oh, man. Look at that, y'all. So you're witnessing, and look at how Arizona State is ranked number 49, or excuse me, they're ranked number 12 and we're in the 12th month. And Texas 3. So look, y'all are witnessing something that doesn't happen a lot here. Um I don't think I've gotten more off of just a video breakdown recording than right here. And you see how it all comes together. Wow. That's amazing with all the threes there in the third month Independence Day anniversary from Mexico, with that connection with Texas there. You know what? Mexico equals 33, y'all. Wow, all of this based off of this Texas tornado energy. Look at this. Mexico even has the 33. Does Mexico have the 66? No, but it's got the 33 and the 30. Look at that, man. Mexico, Texas. Mexico and Texas both equals 69 and 30. And then Mexico equals 33, Texas equals 66. Holy crap. Okay, so that's a lot of energy lingering right now, y'all. Okay, so I'm kind of blown away by that. I'm kind of blown away by that. And don't forget the updated article here with that 26 back over here. Let me go back. And remember, even Jordan equals 26. Bryant equals 26. And you get the 2 killed, 6 injured as a result of these tornadoes in Texas and Mississippi. And then don't forget Jimmy Carter right there. But wow, that's a good time to end it. Holy crap. All right. So I appreciate y'all. Hopefully we're just around 20, 25, 30 minutes here, I hope. So all of that out of this, several tornadoes hit and you know what? We're not done. Even in this code, look at this right here. Houston equals 112 like Chicago Bulls. And there's that 77. Ooh, there's the 32 I think I brought up during the breakdown. And don't forget Jordan wore 23. But look, Houston's got 112 like Chicago Bulls. Okay? And don't forget Michael Jordan's trending with that mansion selling for 9.5 million. And Jordan even wore 12 for one game. Holy crap. Okay, so I promise that's it. Hopefully I didn't confuse any newbies out there tuning in. But anybody who is used to these videos that I make, maybe you see other people make these videos, you see the connection. And Jackson, Mississippi, that also like Michael Jackson. So you get that name Michael, you get MJ, Michael Jackson, like MJ, Michael Jordan. And Kobe Bryant, even with his air related death, and you get a lot of these air related stories lately, weather, planes, and also a lot of other deaths that are trending on the world stage. So I appreciate y'all. So they say tornadoes in Texas and Mississippi kill 2 and injure 6 as severe weather systems move east. As they updated the article and we look at it on the fly, you see the original right there. So shout out to y'all. I hope the volume played on it this time. And peace. I'll be back soon with another breakdown. Until then.